Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start our next part of the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. Here in this section we shall discuss about estimation. So, you come across news. Some news are there. India drew with Pakistan in a hockey match watched by 51,000 spectators in the stadium and 40 million television viewers worldwide. Another news. Approximately 2,000 people were killed and more than 50,000 injured in a cyclonic storm in coastal areas of India and Bangladesh. Next news. Over 13 million passengers are carried over 63,000 kilometers route of railway track every day. Can we say that there were exactly as many people the numbers quoted in this news item? News 1, that was India drew with Pakistan in a hockey match watched by 51,000 spectators in the stadium and 40 million television viewers worldwide. In this news, were there exactly 51,000 spectators in the stadium, or did exactly 40 million viewers watch the match on television? Obviously not. The word approximately itself shows that the number of people were near about these numbers. Clearly, 51,000 could be 50,800 or 51,300, but not 70,000. Similarly, 40 million implies much more than 39 million but quite less than 41 million, but certainly not 50 million. So the quantities given in the examples above are not exact counts but are estimate to give an idea of the quantity. Estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off. Here we will start estimation. So first is how to estimate to the nearest tens by rounding off. Looking into the following. So there are some numbers 259, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270 and 271. Find which flags are closer to 260. Which flags are closer to 260? The answer is 259 or 261. Then find the flags which are closer to 270. Answer is either 269 or 271. So it can conclude we round off 17 as 20, correct to the nearest tens. Now consider 12, which also lies between 10 and 20. However, 12 is closer to 10 rather than 20. So we round off 12 to 10, correct to the nearest tens. How would you round off 76 to the nearest 10? Is it not 80? Yes. The round off of 76 to the nearest tens is 80. We see that the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 are nearer to 0 than 10. So we round off 1, 2, 3 and 4 as 0. Numbers 6, 7, 8 and 9 are nearer to 10. So we round them off as 10. Number 5 is equidistant from both 0 and 10. It is a common practice to round off it as 10. So one question is round these numbers to the nearest tens. The answers are 28 rounded to nearest 10 is 30, 32 next nearest 10 is 30, 52 is 50, 41 is 40, 39 is 40, 48 is 50, 64 is 60, 59 is 60, 99 is 100, 215 is 220, 1453 is 1450 and 2936 is 2940. So estimating to the nearest hundreds by rounding off. Is 410 nearer to 400 or to 500? Answer is 410 is closer to 400. So it is rounded off to 400. Correct to nearest 100. 889 lies between 800 and 900. But it is nearer to 900. So it is rounded off as 900. Correct to the nearest 100. So numbers 1 to 49 are closer to 0 than to 100 and so are rounded off to 0. Numbers 51 to 99 are closer to 100 than to 0 and so are rounded off to 100. Number 50 is equidistant from 0 and 100 both. It is a common practice to round it off as 100. Then one question is there. Check if the following rounding off is correct or not. Question is, so 841 round off to nearest 10, 800. 2546 is 2500. 168 is 200. 9,537 is 9,500. 286 is 200. 149 is 100. 49,730 is 49,700. 5,750 is 5,800. 9,870 is 9,800. So here these two are incorrect. The red sign number are incorrect. So what is the corrected form? So correction is like this. So 286 is rounded off to 300 and 9,870 is corrected as 9,900. Estimating to the nearest thousands by rounding off. We know that numbers 1 to 499 are nearer to 0 than to 1000. So these numbers are rounded off as 0. The numbers 501 to 999 are nearer to 1000 than 0. So they are rounded off as 1000. Number 500 is also rounded off as 1000. Check if the following rounding off is correct or not. So this is the question. So 2573 is rounded off to next thousand, that is 3000. 6404 is 6000. 7805 is 7000. 53,552 is 53,000. 65,437 is 65,000. 3,499 is 4,000. So this is the question. So out of these numbers, 2 are wrong. So what is the corrected form? Let us see. So correction is like this. 7,805 is corrected to 8,000. The next 1,000, round off to next 1,000 is 8,000. Then 3,499, the round off to next 1,000 is 3,000, not 4,000. Thank you.